How to report on your staff's upselling performance in your Flipdish point of sale. Here you'll be able to track individual staff performance in relation to upsells. Our system tracks and prompts your staff to upsell certain products when speaking to your customers. It will then award points to your staff members if they upsell a product you have selected to have upsell points. In order to gain access to this report, you will need to be a staff member with the relevant permissions. If you are, then start by logging into your Flipdish point of sale using your PIN or RFID card reader. Then click More, then click Report, and then click More again, and finally click Upselling. You will be able to see every staff member's sales for that day, the previous week, and the previous month, and be able to see how many upsell points they have earned on the right-hand side. When we are setting up your menu, please let us know which products you would like to have upsell points assigned to, as you might not want them on all your added extras. Just to demonstrate, I'll place a quick order and you can see as I select an item, I will first be asked if I want to remove any components, and then I'll be asked if I want to add any extras. These extras are where your staff can potentially earn upsell points. To learn more about your Flipdish point of sale, go to help.flipdish.com or contact help@flipdish.com. Thanks for watching.